x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to 1000. And we know that x, y, z are integers. X plus y plus z equal to what? Okay, let's calculate. At first, we can say without loss of generality, consider that x, y, z are greater than equal 0. Because at the end, for example, if we find for x plus 2, we consider positive, negative 2, both of them. And so let's do something. At first, I say, if a is odd, I want to consider the parity, means evenness, means x is odd or even. And we want to consider what happens. So case 1, for example, if x is even, so we can say x is 2a, so x squared is 2a squared, which will be 4a squared. So then if x is even, x squared is multiple of 4. Let's consider now case 2. In case 2, if x is odd, then x equal to what? For example, 2a plus 1. Then x squared is what? Is 2a plus 1 squared. If you don't know the formula is what, you can easily calculate by this. 2a plus 1 times 2a plus 1. And then we can multiply. We can say x squared, 2a times 2a, 4a squared. 2a times 1, 2a, 2a times 1, 2a, 2a plus 2a, 4a plus 1. Now we factor from 4a, a plus 1 plus 1. A times a plus 1 is even because two consecutive numbers. One of them always even, one of them odd. Even odd or odd even. The product is always even. So we can say it is 2b. So it will be 8b plus 1. Now we conclude two things. So we can say 8b plus 1, but here we don't need that. I can say, okay, a times a plus 1 is something. For example, 4 times something, like b plus 1. Okay, so it will be what? It will be 4, for example, times something, b plus 1. So we've concluded that remainder of a square number when divided by 4 is 0 or 1. Now let's consider the cases. So in first part, we say, okay, it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 1000, the remainder when divided by 4. 1000 is multiple of 4 zeros. So the only possible case is all of them should be 0, 0, 0. Why I said y squared is also 0 or 1? Because it is again perfect square. Similarly, like x, the remainder is 0 or 1. Now, we've concluded that x, y, z should be even. Okay, so let's consider. We can say x is even. X is, for example, 2x1. Y is even 2y1. Z is even 2z1. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared we know equal to 1000. Then we can conclude x is 2x1, y is 2y1, z is 2z1 squared equal to 1000. Now we can calculate, simplify, it will be 4x1 squared plus 4y1 squared plus 4z1 squared equal to 1000. And now we divide both sides by 4. So x1 squared plus y1 squared plus z1 squared equal to 200. If you divide by 4, it will be 250. Now, if you check, 250 is not multiple of 4. The remainder when divided by 4 is 2. So for 250, we want to check all cases. So the greatest one, greatest square, can be 225 because 15 squared is 225, 16 squared is 256. So 225, the greatest one. So the rest should be 25. So we can say 25, 0, and the other case 16, 9. So if we have 15 squared, the greatest one. Because it is not important, and also we should consider plus minus at the end. So we are focusing on x1, y1, z1 squared. Now 14 squared is 196. So sum of the others equal to 54. For 54, 49, and 5 is not good. 36 plus 4, 40, 14, 18, it's not good. 25, okay, so 196 is not good. 14 squared. Now let's consider 13 squared. 13 squared will be 169. Then 31, 81. So 81 is 81 plus 0. 81 if you write 64 plus 17. 49 plus 32. 36, okay. So we'll see for 169 also, only this case is good. For 12 squared, 144, 656, 106. 100 plus 6 is bad. 81 plus 19, 25. 81 plus 25 is good. 64, 36, 42. It's not good. Not perfect score. And the rest 49 plus a number larger than that. So for 144, 12 squared we've checked. Now let's check 11 squared. 121. 121, 80, 129. So you can say 121 plus 8, it's not good. 100 plus 29 is not good. 81 plus 49, 48 is not good. 64 plus 36, 56, 57, not good. And the rest also are not good. 121, 11 squared. The next one, 10 squared is 100. 100 plus 150. We consider this the greatest one. So the next one, you say 100 plus 50, it's not good. 81 plus 69 is not good. 64, the next is greater than 64. Again, for 100, it's not good. For 81, because we said 81 is the greatest one, if you consider also all of them, 81, 3 times 81, 243, it won't reach this. So we found these cases for x1, y1, z1. Now we consider that, okay, these are the things, x1 squared. So we want to find x, y, z. We know x is 2x1. So for first case, 225, 225, 0, we can say x1 is the x1, y1, z1 plus minus square root of this number, 1550. So let's consider first x1, y1, z1 plus minus 15 plus minus 5, 0. And because at the end we want to find x plus y plus z, we don't calculate arrangements, permutations. The next one, 22 to 5, 16, 9. 2 to 5, 16, 9. 169, 81, 0. And 144, 81, 25. 144, 81, and plus minus 5. Okay. Now we know x, y, z are 2 times these numbers. So it will be plus minus 30, plus minus 10, 0, plus minus 30, plus minus 8, plus minus 6, plus minus 26, plus minus 18, 0, plus minus 24, plus minus 9, plus minus what? 10. 2 times this number. Now we want to find x plus y plus z can be what numbers? For each case, let's calculate it can be what. X, let me write it with another color, x plus y plus z. So Look, for example, if I consider 30 plus 10, 40, when I write 40, if I negate all sides, I have also negative 40. 30 minus 10, 20, plus minus 20. Now, the next one. 30 plus 8, 38, plus 6, 44. So it will be plus minus 44. 30 plus 8, 38, minus 6, 32, plus minus 32. 30 plus 6 minus 8, it will be 36 minus 8, 28, plus minus 28. And the last one, let's see, 30 minus 8 minus 6. 30 minus 14 will be 16. So plus minus 16, and we have 8 answers. 2 cases, 2 cases, 2 cases, 8 answers. We will see them. Now the next one, 26 plus 18 will be 36, 44, plus minus 44, and 26 minus 18 will be 8, plus minus 8. The next one, 24 plus 9, 33. 33 plus 10, 43. It will be plus minus 43. 24 plus 9, let's consider 24 plus 10, 34, minus 9, 25, plus minus 25. 24 plus 10, 34. 34 minus 9, we said this 24 plus 9, 33. 33 minus 10, 23. And the last one, 24 minus 9 minus 10, 24 minus 19, which will be 5, plus minus 5. So let's see how many answers have we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 2, 24. We found 24 answers for this problem. If you had question, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.